Welcome to BrainBuffet Professional Development, where we serve up professional development that's fun, flexible, and personalized. For over 2 decades, we've provided high-quality educational training to teachers, students, and professionals worldwide. At BrainBuffet, we know that learning isn't just one size fits all. By understanding your unique goals, our experts match you with the ideal instructor and design a customized learning experience just for you. Whether you need a brief virtual session or on-demand access, we deliver what you need exactly when and how you want it. Our award-winning instructors help you sharpen your technical skills and enhance your soft skills, covering topics from Adobe, Microsoft Office, and Autodesk to leadership, communication, and more. Our interactive hands-on sessions teach real-world skills and practical insights. From basic tools to advanced certifications, BrainBuffet has you covered. It's no wonder so many educators and professionals choose BrainBuffet. After all, we were named 2023 Adobe Training Partner of the Year. Hungry for more? Contact your Certiport Territory Manager today. We've become the go-to choice for professional development training, and we're eager to earn your trust as we support you on your learning journey. Contact your Certiport Territory Manager for further information.